say what could you do, not what could the industry, what could you do that would make the workplace that you work in more attractive to younger people, to graduates coming out next year? What, if you could do something, what would it be that would make the work environment, the work you do, or the way it's perceived more attractive to younger people?
Personally, what I can do is I can project my growth story, my journey, and I can tell them to all the younger people whenever I meet them, be it in a conference, be it in any other educational meetings, any place. So that's what I can share with them, and I can make them understand why. So insurance is like a thing where you can work and go to your bed at night at peace sleep in peace because you have helped people. You know that you have helped people. You have made them unintentionally or intentionally, you've helped them a lot. So this is an industry with job satisfaction, which you rarely get in other industries. Other industries are about making money, and in your insurance industry is about sustainability. The longer you be here, the longer you can survive and the longer you can help people. So it's a very different approach towards industry, and I think most of young people will understand that. And if compared to other financial sectors and other industries, I would you ask the question on gender equality. That's what I'm saying. It gives equal opportunities to all the, all, irrespective of gender, irrespective of age, it gives equal opportunity to all of them. And there is one thing which I'm proud of in insurance industry, that they don't see, they see beyond these things. They give you better opportunities to work with. Yeah.
Sorry? Okay. I believe like our generation right now are very impatient and we do not like to do the same thing again. Like we cannot be in a very monotonous field or very monotonous circle. So what will attract millennials or maybe the youngsters would be like if we throw some challenges like that would really require them to think about. They would. I don't think so nowadays we would like to settle for something that is very easy and just to earn money or be stable in life. We would also like to get challenges and maybe implement whatever we've learned till now. So, of course, that is how we would like to attract the youngsters.
And Laksha, so the question is, what can you personally do, or what could you, or what would you personally do to help get younger people thinking more positively and wanting to work where you work?
So it's a two-part answer from my end. One, it's actually related to the cultural aspect that when a youngster comes, I give him a culture where equal thoughts are exchanged on an equal level rather than being in a hierarchical model that I'm a senior, someone is a senior. So one-on-one interaction in a very horizontal platform should be there. Because as we are seeing the whole economy as the skill set in the world is moving to a very gig economy phase where skills matter rather than the qualification. So if there's someone working for me, I should judge him by his skills rather than by his qualification, do a very communication on a very horizontal platform. Right. And the second thing is on the work part. So sandbox regulation that actually I mentioned, this is something that's very interesting, that's a very powerful tool that we can actually use to experiment. We can use this to experiment on a lot of things like product offerings, the data that comes in. So this is something that can actually attract a lot of top talents from maybe engineering colleges, from management colleges, and this can actually be hibernated into an incubator model that a lot of big companies are doing. So I'll take an example from outside the insurance industry. Mahindra Group Mahindra has an incubator model where they actually have independent companies which they fund like startups and they're allowed to do anything they want. So a lot of good companies, good revenue generating companies from Mahindra have actually come from that incubator culture. So this is something that actually we can do in the insurance industry also, and since IIT has given permission to it, this is something that we can actually look forward to have incubators under the sandbox guideline, and let's attract new talent, people who are actually from very good colleges or people who are doing good in their industries, and let them work on things that matter that can actually change the industry. So maybe currently it's a price dominant industry that people go for whoever has its lowest price insurance, people go for things like that, but is there a way to change it from price to maybe a combination of different factors? So until we have some experimentation in a very safe environment that don't hamper the company, we won't be able to do that. So this whole sandbox thing should be turned around and used in a very liberal manner. That is something that I actually want to do.
Aditya, so if you had, if you could do something that would help improve the image of both the industry and your workplace, what would it be?
So personally, I absolutely agree with what Hemlata said about passing on the message that it really is a challenge to be here, that your work won't be mundane, that it is not just day-to-day activities that you get stuck in, because the industry is changing in at such a fast pace that there's more than enough opportunities to get involved in a lot of things that people really just associate with startups. So. Be it developing an app or developing a combined ecosystem for your customer and not just have to work in silos as an organization. Making sure that your customer's journey is absolutely smooth. All these avenues are avenues that are being explored in this sector now. So if you do come here, you're going to get an opportunity to work on all of this and build it up in a way that you feel is going to help people, as opposed to going to a sector where it's all set up already. Another thing that I have found very good in the sector, which I would also like to mention, is at my workplace and in a lot of other companies, it's not just limited to work. So, what is being implemented for our customers is also being implemented for our employees. So, when we talk about wearable devices, it's not just something that is being done for the customers, it's being done for the employees as well. And that is being linked to other incentives that you get at your workplace. So, you can compete against your colleagues. So, this brings a different flavor to the workplace, which throws it out of a regular 9 to 5 job where you come to the office, speak to probably the two people who you work with, and you're done. It opens up your workplace where you get to interact with everyone else. So we have hobby clubs, so I'm in a riding club. So often on weekends I'll go riding with the chief risk officer, with the head of corporate communication, the head of web sales. That opens up avenues for me to interact with all of these people outside of a structured sort of environment, which does open a lot of opportunities for individuals.